Baringo Senator William Cheptumo has passed away while receiving treatment at Nairobi Hospital. Senate Speaker Amason Kingi has confirmed. His sudden demise marks the loss of a seasoned politician who had dedicated years of service to his constituents and the nation. In his tribute, Kingi described Cheptumo as a committed leader who carried out his legislative duties with exceptional passion. The Senate of Kenya has lost a leader who firmly believed in devolution and used every opportunity to advance its cause and the welfare of Kenyans, Kingi said. President William Ruto also mourned Cheptumo, praising him as a progressive leader who tirelessly worked for the betterment of Baringo County. He was vocal, hardworking, and a tireless champion for the transformation of Baringo. The Cheptumo family, friends, and the people of Baringo County are in our thoughts and prayers, Ruto stated. Cheptumo's political journey was marked by resilience and commitment to public service. First elected as Member of Parliament for Baringo North in 2007, he served 3 terms before successfully running for Baringo Senator in 2022 under the United Democratic Alliance UDA ticket. Throughout his career, he held key roles, including Assistant Minister of Justice, National Cohesion and Constitutional Affairs, and later, Chairman of the Senate National Security, Defense, and Foreign Relations Committee. His passing leaves a significant void in Baringo's political leadership. Known for his vocal stance on governance, devolution, and security matters, Cheptumo was an influential figure in shaping legislative policies that impacted not only his county, but the country as a whole. As Kenya mourns his loss, questions arise about who will step up to fill his shoes. His absence will undoubtedly be felt in the Senate, where he was a strong advocate for devolution and national cohesion. In Baringo, where he was a key political figure, the transition of leadership will be closely watched. Beyond politics, Cheptumo's legacy will be remembered for his unwavering dedication to public service. His ability to connect with the people, articulate their concerns, and push for transformative policies made him a respected leader. His passing serves as a stark reminder of the transient nature of life and the need for leaders to leave a lasting impact.